This is a rebuilt Aronson HD-25 welding positioner. 2,500 pound capacity at 6-inch center of gravity. The table tilts from parallel to 135 degrees. New hand pendant with tilt, forward and reverse, stop and start. Also has an adjustable base. It's been totally rebuilt, gone through the gearboxes. Tilt gears look great. We ensure the bearings are good. We install new Cleveland Pacemaster drives. This machine here is 440 volt 3-phase. We rent this machine or we can sell it. Excellent condition. Kevin's equipment has a variety of sizes. That's a 9,000 pound Aronson behind it. We can do anything, have wide range of capacity positioners, turntables. There's a 10,000 pound Aronson headstock that's available as well.